Julia. Lara.
Hi, Nico. Hi, Emma. Hi, Sam.
Yes, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Ryan Pamonio. I'm the curator of Gateway Gallery. And again, welcome to Gateway Gallery. What's Gateway Gallery? Gateway Gallery is the art museum of Arnett Center. It was opened 2015. And what we have right now is a joint project. This exhibit is a joint project of the University of the Philippines and Arnett Center. So this exhibit is entitled Sining Saysay, Philippine History in Art. Who among you loves art? Everyone loves art, okay? This is a good place for you if you like art. And inside we have a small room for a changing exhibit. You could visit that afterwards. So we will be having a quick tour of this exhibit, Sining Saysay. Saysay is a contraction of the Saysayan. So this exhibit aims to teach history through paintings or images. All the artworks here were made by graduates of the UP College of Fine Arts.
UP Fine Arts.
UP Fine Arts. Same here. Anyway, we have two national artists, Ben Gabriela and Abdul Marino. Do you know Abdul Marino? He's the first national artist for painting who is a Muslim. Unfortunately, he died in 2014. But he was able to finish the painting. Later, you will see his art. Okay. What else? Before we start, I'd like you to, later on, please like, subscribe, and follow Gateway Gallery PH and Gateway Gallery Instagram and Gateway_Gallery Twitter. Okay, let's start. If you have questions along the way, please feel to ask questions. Okay?
How do we call you again?
Gary.
Sir Gary.
Gary na lang.
Gary.
Anyway, who's from Luzon?
Luzon.
Visayas. Mindanao. Abroad. Wala? So pwede ako mag-Tagalog? Seriously, pwede ako mag-Tagalog? French? Kasi hindi namin yung Tagalog. I studied French, but my French is rusty and you Anyway, sige, let's try Tagalog and let's wait for your English-speaking friends. Sino ka kung gusto ng English? Taglish. So, we have 30 paintings, we have 2 women artists. So, this is not in a cave, it's in a wall.
In a wall.
Carved on a wall. Around 5,500 years ago. But back then, there were already people living in it. Anyway, this is the first person that has both and figures on it. Okay, it talks about. When you say ethno-linguistics, these are groups defined by their language and their ethno-linguistics. In their particular language. Do you know how many ethno-linguistic groups in the country? Nearby language. So they came from Taiwan. They're very good at sea navigation in Southeast Asia, wherein men and women would tattoo their body based on how many people they kill, or how many animals they kill. Imagine that. And of course, because also the writings of Mona Lisa's not even America. This is a painting by a woman for women that celebrates women power. And now we have a long-haired Jew, whose hair is from a painting by America, Man Cabrera, about Philippine American War, very pro-Iran, one of the brightest lawyers, one of the brightest is unfortunately, the law is presidency. Okay, power had to happen. What is this painting about? Festivals! Everyone loves a festival.
Yung sa loob daw, what to have.
Okay.
Video lang. Wait.